So my argument overall is not just that we've got to the point that we have, but that things are changing. Substances don't remain in the same position, and they have been repositioning under the impact of different forces in the last few decades. And I finish in the book by looking to the future and saying, well, what does the future hold? Which is not generally something that historians like to do. And the future I see as having two distinct possibilities. There could be a society, a hedonistic-based society, a society where drugs for all is the norm, and one can take one's drug of choice, whether it be alcohol, whether it be a cognition enhancer to help you take your exams or whatever. Or it's possible that there could be a much more regulated society. We're seeing some elements of that in recent times, with the focus in drug treatment on recovery, on abstinence, rather than continuing long-term to use drugs. And we're seeing it too with the harsher attitude that there's been to women's alcohol use in recent years. So the future could be one where there's an accommodation between these substances, but an accommodation where they're more stringently regulated, or at least some of them are, than at present.